What are you doing? What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. So I'm back with another video today, man, and y'all know what time it is. I think really, I talked with my wife, and I've been on some I gotta get a better schedule when it comes to this YouTube thing. I'll be putting out videos over here, and just, I really don't be having no schedule, gang. Like, for real, I be wanting to put out videos whenever I feel like it. And honestly, that doesn't really help the people that watch this channel. So I really came to the conclusion that I'm gonna start putting out videos on Mondays and Fridays. What y'all think about that? Every Monday and Friday, or did I say Monday and Saturday? No, Monday and Friday is what I'm gonna do. Every Monday and Friday. And that's what you guys can expect from the Mud Talk Radio moving forward. If you haven't already, make sure you go touch base with me on Instagram, touch base with me on Twitter. Let's connect outside of YouTube, and let's continue to talk fashion and sports and life and culture. And don't forget about TikTok, gang. But anyway, that's not what y'all came here for, man. Let's get into today's review. So I got the box right here, man. As you can see, man, a little bit late, but better late than never, man. This is the shoe for real, man. And I'm having beef with Hibbett Sports because I had to go somewhere else to get this shoe. And Hibbett Sports' excuse was that they didn't receive any of their shipment. How you gonna have a raffle for people to pick up in the store, but nobody got their shipment? So I lost on the raffle online. But when I walked in the store, they said they never received the shoe. So did I really lose or did I really win? You know, Hibbett Sports did not get my money this time around. Shout out to Foot Locker in South Park, House of Hoops, man. That's where I had to walk in and go pick these up. They had plenty of pairs. But here's my beef with Foot Locker. When I called them to ask them about the shoe, you know what they told me? We can't tell you what sizes we have over the phone, but just know we have plenty of pairs. What does that mean? Why y'all can't tell me if y'all got a size 12, gang? I had to drive 40 minutes to go get them. Well, not 40 minutes. It was 30 minutes, roughly, right? 25, 30 minutes. But what if they didn't have a size 12? What if I drove all the way over there and they didn't have a size 12? And then 2 days later, I get back here, and guess what? The manager that I know at Hibbett Sports, who posts on TikTok all the time, every time I get shoes, she's unboxing the crap Ivory 3s. Yeah, it was just a mess. So this is why this review is late. I'm gonna get off my soapbox real quick. My Ivory soapbox. Have you ever used Ivory soap? It's not that good, for real. It's trash, bro. But if you're from the hood, you use that Ivory, right? We use that Ivory, that Irish Spring, and for sure we use that Dial, gang. No? You never used Dial soap? Don't act like you was too good. We used the Ivory soap and Dial soap. The orange bar, you never used it? You cap, man. If you come from where I come from, man, tell me the worst type of soap you ever had to use as a kid. Drop it in the comment section. All right, man, let's get back on track. The box reads Air Jordan 3 Retro Craft. The colorway is Ivory Gray Mist Cream. And that's a size 12, men's size 12. So you know that's a personal pair right there. Let's get it. All right, man, let's get inside this box, man. You got your standard tissue paper for a Jordan 3. Kind of got the elephant print on there. Nothing too crazy, but yeah. Yes, sir. Okay. We got the Craft Ivory 3s right here, man. I'm gonna be honest, bro. This is like the Craft series has been going on for a while. We brought the Craft 1s to the channel. We brought the Craft 4s to the channel. So this is the third pair of the Craft series that we brought to the channel. And this might be my favorite pair. At first I thought it was the 4s because the 4s, you know, had that green, that deep green, army green look to them. And who doesn't like a good pair of 4s? But these 3s are reminding me of kind of the Mama Year 3s a little bit. I'm not gonna say they're on the same level, but they're somewhere in that area. Somewhere in that area, man. This is a really clean shoe. Take a look at that. All right, man. So just kind of diving into this shoe, some of the things that really stand out, because I really like this shoe. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I ain't gonna hold you. It's the double jump, man, for me on the tongue, man. Twice the jump, man. You gotta love that, man. I think one is kind of looks like, I guess that's that gray color that they were hinting at. And then you got that craft ivory color right there. That's beautiful. And then the back, to me, is my favorite part of the shoe. The fact that they have the Nike logo underneath the Jumpman logo and that translucent right there. I love that, man. I love the fact that it has suede on here, but it's some subtle hints of suede. It's not like a ton of suede. You know, I love the elephant print on this shoe. This is like, before I purchased this shoe, I could see myself with this shoe on my foot. I have a brand new hoodie that's about to drop. It's already on the website for pre-order. The first colorway is black. If you haven't already, man, go to rawmelonapparel.com, man, and lock in with me, man. Best streetwear gang you ain't never heard of, man. I promise you, we on the way. A lot of heat, Link is in the description. And if you want to go over there, man. But I got some heat on the way, and I'm gonna keep putting my foot on the gas. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and grab the second shoe out, and we're gonna do a side-by-side comparison, because we always want to look for any type of quality control issues. We're gonna call this segment the quality control segment, where we check for any type of issues, because I always say, when you come to this channel, I do want you to leave with some value. I want you to leave with a bit of knowledge where you can walk away and say, hey man, I want to go and buy that sneaker, or I don't want to buy that sneaker. Maybe you didn't like the sneaker before you came and watched the video on the channel. Now you're really feeling the sneaker. So I'm here to help you. And one of those things is to look for any type of defects in the shoe. Automatically, with a bunch of white and a bunch of leather, we're going to look for any scratches, creases, anything of that nature. And I'm looking at the shoe. I don't really see much right now. Sometimes on the threes on the side, it can be, you know, kind of like dented in right here. I've seen that with a lot of the threes. The suede looks pretty good on here. It's pretty soft. It's good material. I don't really see anything. I don't see any scratches or anything on the back. That is beautiful right there on the back, the translucent area. I don't see anything on there. The toe box is intact. No scuffs, no scratches, no glue stains. This is almost a perfect sneaker, man. Shout out to Nike. All right, so let's get into styling this shoe. I think that the last few videos, I have not really talked about styling like that. We've kind of made some quicker videos on the channel, just because I really want to get straight to the point. Sometimes you can draw it out a little bit, and you know, people will click off the channel, man. So I need you, if you're watching this video, if you're still watching right now, hit the subscribe button and hit that like button for your boy, man. I'm just only trying to get better over here. And you know, Mud Talk family, I appreciate y'all, man, for rocking with your boy. But when it comes to styling this shoe, it's so much that you can do. Number one, because of the colors. I just talked about on the last video. If you haven't already, go watch it. But gray is one of my favorite colors. It's definitely in my top 5 when it comes to fashion. I believe it's a very neutral color. It's something that you can style very easily. And the same with this white, man, and this craft ivory looking color, whatever they want to call it. I just think this is not a hard shoe to style. You can wear various different colors with it. I definitely have a pair of wide jeans that I'm gonna pop out again with these. I've worn before already, but man, listen, I'm gonna tell you like this. Don't hesitate to go in your closet and pull something out again and style it with something different, because that's the beauty of fashion. Being able to take pieces that you already have together, mismatch them, add some new flavor to it, and pop out on them again. So this is not a hard shoe to style. Very, very easy. You can do your thing with this. So I gotta give you my rating before we get out of here, man. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm in love, bruh. Like it's the month of February. It's almost Valentine's Day, and this sneaker got my heart. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love this shoe, man. I love this shoe. Quite honestly, this might be my favorite drop so far this year. I know it's early. I know it's only February. I know we got the reimagined Bread 4s coming out, but man, I'm loving this shoe, bruh. And it's not about the hype. For me, it's about fashion. I love the colors. I did not get the Mama Year 3, so this is almost like a consolation prize, but it's not like I'm settling, because I really love this shoe. And so because of that, my rating for the Air Jordan 3 Craft Ivory I'm going 8 out of 10, gang. I'm going 8 out of 10 for this because it's just beautiful, man. It is beautiful all the way around. I cannot find anything wrong with it. For some of y'all to say this is a consolation prize for those that didn't get the album in year 3, okay, if that makes you feel better, okay. Not trying to be funny. If I really wanted to go buy them, I could go buy them, but it's not that deep for me. I've been on the retail hunt, like only paying retail for stuff. And so with that type of journey, it comes with, you know, just accepting that if I lost a raffle, I got to move on. And so that's what I've done. I'll continue to watch the price on those. If it does drop into an area where I feel like I can grab them, I will go and grab them. If not, you know, I get them when I get them. And so I want you guys to know, just don't feel the pressure of others around you to feel like you got to overpay for something, man, because the sneaker game is not about that anymore. I'm glad that the hype beasts are out of the equation and people are saying this and that, because honestly, it's getting back to what I remember growing up, being able to actually just walk in the store and buy a pair of Jordans, man. If you like them, go buy them. That's the beauty of it. They're accessible now. And so a lot of people are complaining. I'm not going to complain. Enjoy it while it's here, because I'm sure it'll change eventually. But you know the saying, man. Love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy, Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.